not cold? Does milk have to be cold or no?
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
Put this in the fridge for me. In the fridge. Thank you. Alright, come on, we gotta introduce ourselves. Y'all, today we are gonna be cooking another meal for $10. $10. Split up the 10. $10. We are going to cook chicken,
Potatoes,
green beans. No. Look at what that is.
sweet green peas.
Peas.
I'm just asking. 2 clean butter knives.
Now we're gonna cut up the vegetables and
You got like,
put them in the
yeah, I'm cutting stuff. What do you think?
I don't know. No, you cutting these peppers with. Hold on.
Cause I'm gonna need a black surface. I can use
No, first you gotta show me if you know how to do it.
with demonstration.
Let me see if you know what you're doing.
Here,
Rinse them off first. You got it?
Yeah, what's the one?
Alright. Now let's see. Let me show you how to cut it.
Okay.
Let me.
Yeah.
We're gonna see if you cutting them right when we put them in this pot.
How small do you want it to be?
It don't matter. They can be any size. Y'all, since we only got 2 pots, we gonna cook the potatoes in here first because they take the longest. Then we're gonna cook the vegetables and stuff in here. And when the potatoes is done, we're gonna mash them in this bowl. But the thing is, wait. The thing is, we only got this much butter, and we need butter for we need butter for the peppers and stuff, and we also need it for the potatoes, so we're gonna have to make this work. You feel me? So
What's up, you guys? I'm cutting the pepper.
boy, them is not tomato.
I mean,
let me see. Let's see your work. Let's show them your work.
Oh my god, I hate you for this thing.
Let's see what this looks like. Do you think this looks presentable? I told you to make these smaller than this. You need to cut these in half.
Oh my god.
This is what we're eating this, okay? So we need to make them like strips, like I told you. Like these are good. So you need to make these like that. And you can cut the other stuff if you want. I don't care. But yeah, we're gonna put that in the pots, and then we're gonna let these potatoes cook. And then we're gonna cook the chicken.
Pepper. Oh my god. About to have some peppers coming in hot. Yeah. No, put them in. Go ahead, I got one more.
Put them in here. What you got?
Put the onions. Yeah.
This is our vegetables for our chicken. I'm gonna put a little bit of seasoning in them in a minute. No.
You guys can see there we go, putting in the seasoning, and I'm stirring. I'm actually for real using the camera to see what I am doing.
Some more oil in here. Looks good, don't it?
This food gonna be salty. Yeah, but smell real good. Guys, this food gonna be real good.
You know, put the chicken in here on top of that, and then mashed potatoes too, and peas.
It's gonna be
That's
good.
gonna be good. Now we're gonna put these peppers on a plate, and then we're gonna start cooking the chicken. And then when the chicken is like cooked a little bit, we're gonna put it in the oven. We're gonna bake it. It's gonna be good. Basically, we're just searing the chicken, giving it a nice. Listen, this is how you're gonna know if your potatoes is done. You're gonna be able to stick a knife straight through it, and it go right through. See, this one already did this one. Went right through. That's how you know if it's done or not. And it gotta go right through. It can't be choppy. Like that one, go right through. That one done. That's how you know if they done or not. Right through. Easy. Now I'm about to put the potatoes in the glass bowl I showed y'all. Put the potatoes in here, and then I'm gonna mash them. Now look, some people, they like take all the skin off, but honestly it really don't bother me to leave it on there, so I'm gonna leave it on there. Put some butter in here. Gotta save some for my peas. Butter. Then we're gonna put some of this milk in there, and some salt and some pepper and some sugar. And then we're gonna drain these a little bit, and then we're gonna put them in here. And then the chicken is in here cooking. So we almost done. We almost done. We finally done. Let me show y'all how everything looking. You feel me? It look good. It look good. This is my potatoes. Good, baby. This is what you call scratch. This is made from scratch. You hear me? This is my peas. You don't really have to put in the peas. I usually put like garlic powder, onion powder, butter, and I would have usually like put some onions in there, but I did not do that this time. Now let me show y'all the chicken.
A shower. I mean a bath. I was taking a bath. What's this with a fork?
Mm-hmm. Don't touch this pie. It's hot. That chicken look good, don't it?
Yeah, that should look good. I'm gonna finish with the potato food.
Bye.
Bye, you guys.
Make sure you comment more cooking videos that you want to see in the comments. Yeah, comment whatever video you want to see in the comments for me to cook. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my social media at Denrio_. Add me on Twitter at Denrio. And stay tuned for more videos.
It's lit.